Like, why are there lines on it but no cracks?
Yeah, that's fine.
Where are the cracks? Where's the crack? Hello, welcome to my channel, or welcome back if you are already here. If you're new here, hi, I'm glad you're here because that means my channel's growing. Today I am going to be I'm not. In today's video, I am going to be making better merch for YouTubers. Don't get offended because I am just making better merch in my opinion. I enjoy creating things, so I'm going to create my own version of other YouTubers' merch. So please enjoy. It's gonna be a little scandalous, so make sure you stay tuned. So I'm going to be recreating some of your favorite YouTubers' merch, and those people include Emma Chamberlain, James Charles, Jeffree Star, and Olivia Jade. So I've already designed all of the merch, but I'm going to go through it with you so that we're all on the same page before I actually create the merch. So right now, I'm going to show you some of my editing process and explain it to you. Okay, time for our James Charles merch. You are going to be Sister Shook when you see my merch. I feel really weird saying that.
Sister Shook.
And I'm gonna be Sister Savage today. No, that's even worse. That was like the worst one.
Terrible.
So as you all know, Coachella just happened. James and his bootyless chaps need to be seen. That's what I decided to use for his merch. And I also decided to use some nice eccentric colors to add some spice to this merch. So I think I ended up choosing blue and pink, but I could be wrong. Let's see what happens. Oh yeah, I was testing some like weird kind of cool stuff, but ended up just going back to kind of a normal look. This is just me messing around with a bunch of colors, the way that I like to do things on Photoshop. Am I done yet? No. So that's all for James Charles's merch, and now we are going on to Olivia Jade's merch. Now before I get into this, take a wild guess on what this merch could possibly be about. I wonder if it has anything to do with the USC scandal. Probably not, right? So what more perfect way to honor Olivia Jade? I thought I would design a lovely USC crew team shirt in USC's colors, and we can all wear it with her just to remember her life at the college and how quickly it ended.
Rest in peace.
Oh, I feel kind of bad actually.
Oh, I know.
So I found some nice college style font, and I'm using that to write crew team, and wasn't sure what color to do it because I didn't know the school colors, so I looked it up, found out it's yellow and red. I am taking the USC logo and also applying that to the shirt. We need to represent. It took me a while to figure out the placement of this until I realized I'm probably just gonna cut it out anyway because I don't want a big white border around it. Yeah, this is what I ended up with. Now on to Jeffree Star. I think a lot of us know about the concealer that got stolen from his warehouse, and he lost a lot of money, and I feel really awful about that. This is in full support of Jeffree Star. I love Jeffree Star. We're gonna make a t-shirt to represent this concealer. I would love to show you what I've created. So I took a picture. I didn't take a picture, I don't have the concealer, I'm not one of the culprits, I promise, but I found a picture on Google of the concealer C6. I also grabbed a Jeffree Star logo off of Google and, you know, worked my magic, applied those two things together, and then decided I need to add a quote to this so that people understand what's going on. My lovely boss, Brianna, came up with, "Will hide your bags, won't cover your crimes." So that is what we're going with today. Then I decided, you know, that's not enough because people still might not understand. I decided to move all the words down to the bottom of the picture, throw on an America's Most Wanted logo, crop it, make it pink, and voila. Perfect Jeffree Star merch. And I love you, Jeffree Star. I'm not doing this to make fun of you. You're not even gonna see this. What am I talking about? Oh, and of course, I had to add the C6 in there. Fade it in behind so it's like mysterious and secretive. And last, but certainly not least, is the Emma Chamberlain merch. If you've been following her life for a while, you know, you might know about the fan obsession with Ithma. Ethan Dolan and Emma Chamberlain might be dating. I truly believe that they are dating. I thought they were dating the whole time. I am a 22-year-old and I literally pay attention to 17 and 18-year-old drama, so that's good. I have just been obsessed with that relationship ever since it has started. We still don't know for sure, but we still kind of know for sure. I decided to make them some merch since they're not really on that train yet, so I thought I would like give them a head start. As you've probably seen, Emma Chamberlain has some new merch, and it is of her as a horse with like rainbows and stuff like that. For the ithma merch, I decided to kind of follow the same sort of design as her real merch. I just thought we should add Ethan in the picture, but I did change it up a little, so I'll show you what I did. It was definitely the longest one that I made, and I'm very proud of it. I sounded like a robot that time! And I am very proud of it. Whatever. You know, YouTube sensation, Charlie the Unicorn. I decided to use Charlie because he is in the history of YouTube, so it works. So I copied and pasted him, and then made a pink and a purple version because I couldn't find a good picture of the actual two other unicorns. And then I found the exact image that's on Emma Chamberlain's merch and added that to her side. It took me a while to kind of erase all around her, but I did it, and then kind of maneuvered her way onto the horse somehow. And then I found this picture of Ethan on his Instagram and decided to make that his horse body. So now they're beside each other. Very cute. I looked for a majestic background, found the perfect one, and then I decided to play around with the hue and saturation because we need to make the colors more majestic for ithma. We love ithma and we need to honor them. Alright, so then I just like played around with the composition a little bit. Added a rainbow because we can't have it without the rainbow. And then I kind of questioned my blue choice for a bit and then found the right one, so we're good now. And then I added some hearts because they're in love, hopefully. Now it's time to make the merch, so I am going to go print these photos and then I'll be back to iron them on some t-shirts. So I am back and ready to make some merch, and I want to show you my supplies. So we have an iron and it's already hot, so I'm not going to touch it to show you. I've got some blue for ithma. We have some red for our sister Olivia Jade because her school colors are red and yellow. We've got some black for Jeffree Star. I wish I got pink, but he wasn't my original plan, so black it is. And then I have yellow for James Charles. So now that I have all these supplies, my prints are in here. I have these iron on for dark fabrics sheets. I was cutting my bangs with these earlier today. They're multi-purpose scissors, so it doesn't really matter, does it? So we'll start with Jamesy boy. There's been some tea going around that the sister squad is done, and I'm not okay with that, so I'm just going to assume that it's not true. Still waiting for a new video, but they haven't said anything, so we should probably just assume that it's not true. Me and all the other 12-year-olds that watch their videos just like wondering if they're still together. I'm actually pretty skilled at this because my job requires lots of cutting paper. Brianna, I should have cut these out beforehand, but you know, it is what it is. James.
Scared.
Little sister scared. Because I don't know how this is going to turn out or if it's even going to work. Stop! So now I have to unpeel the back. I wish I knew how to do that. Okay, so I've got the peel. Let's see how this goes because I don't want it to rip because that would be bad. I'm actually really scared about this. I can't wait to wear James's booty on my shirt. Oh, preheat your iron to the highest setting. I did not.
Whoa. Do that again. Okay,
It scares me every time!
Yeah, great.
Just gonna get it prepared, you know what I'm saying? Okay, so now we have a spot clear for Jamesy boy. Now everyone can see his booty every time I walk out the door. 3, 2, 1.
Go.
Sure hope I'm doing this right, because we only have one chance to make this work.
One chance, one
shot.
opportunity.
You might miss your chance to blow. This opportunity comes once in a lifetime, yo.
Ooh, this is looking good. Okay, let's see how this turns out.
That's normal.
Okay. Ooh, I like it.
She's beautiful.
Dude, that looks so dope.
Like, I'm gonna wear this. Oh, wow. Now, I have to finish cutting out Olivia Jade's crew team. Might take me a little while because they're individual letters. I had to take a quick hiatus because these things took me so long to cut out. Alrighty folks, let's do this. I've never said folks in my life. I don't know why I said that now, but team crew. Crew team. Alright, now I'm gonna cover this again. It's not sticking.
You killed the stickers?
Nope. Did I ruin it? Please, please work. Well, I guess this is the one I was least excited to wear anyway because it's not as like artistic, but we love a burnt, crusty shirt. I just ruined this. It's so stupid and it's all yellow and burnt to a crisp and I can't get it off the paper. So, Olivia Jade, I'm sorry, but your crew team merch did not work out. Now that that one didn't work, let's go on to an easier one. Jeffree Star, because his is just a plain old rectangle, so we don't have to worry too much.
Sucks to suck, Kate. Sucks to suck.
I have to ruin at least one thing in every video, so it works. It's my brand. Beauty! Yay! We have another one and it worked out. Good old... So, thankfully Jeffree Star's worked out. IFMA is my favorite, so let's do this. I love noticing my editing mistakes now that it's already printed. Sister sick! Sister sick! Okay, this is going to be my favorite. Like, look at this blue. Are we ready, kids? Aye, aye, Captain! Why are there lines on it but no cracks?
Yeah, that's fine.
Where are the cracks? Where's the crack? All I want is my freaking IFMA shirt and there's freaking technical difficulties. This is a disaster! IFMA, I'm ready for you. I'm so excited. I peeled it, right? Yeah, we literally just spent like 10 minutes on peeling it. Yay! Ooh. Fresh off the press.
Please don't talk about me when I'm gone. Oh, honey, though our friendship ceases from now on.
Well, friends, thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed and I hope you like my merch designing skills. If you do, please hire me to design your merch for you because I need money. Well, my camera just died, so welcome to my phone footage. You know, it sucks because I was gonna try to sell Olivia Jade's shirt for around, I don't know, $500,000 because I think that's how much it costs to get under the crew team nowadays. If you like this video, please give me a thumbs up. In the comments down below, please tell me your favorite shirt that I made. Also, who else would you like to see me recreate their merch? Because I enjoyed this and I would like to do it again if you enjoyed it too. So please subscribe to my channel if you haven't already and I will see you in my next video. Bye!